are learning about every single thing in the solar system, our full entire solar system. But first, we're starting off with the sun. The sun has sunspots, and it also has a rays and magnetic field that comes out of it. And every planet has one, except the other ones. It's too hot. And the sun is our largest item in the solar system that can fit about over 1 million Earths in it. And all of the other planets are big too. First, we're moving on to the first planet of the solar system that is the closest. Mercury, the closest planet of the sun. Mercury is the second hottest planet in the solar system, like Venus. And they're also very hot too. Well, Mercury it's a lord of the smallest planet in the solar system. That it is so hot that it's the closest planet to our sun. Second, we move on to Venus. Venus is a planet that has lots of volcanoes and is the first hottest planet in the solar system. And that is almost 1,000 degrees. And it has volcanoes. And also has rain, like our Earth. And our third planet from the sun is Earth, that we call our home. That is in the habitable zone. That will be our habitable planet that we live. And we talk about the moon. Our moon is the thing that was collided by a Mars-sized planet called Theia. And when it crashed into it, our baby moon was born. And it was about 4.5 billion years ago, right of the formation of the sun. So our planet Earth will be our home forever. The fourth planet from the sun, Mars, it's known for its red glow and it's known for the red planet. But as our Earth has a red sunset, Mars has a blue sunset that makes sure that the sun goes down and then it's nighttime. And it's known for the biggest mountain in the full entire solar system, Olympus Mons. And it's above a crater that could be. And we done all of the inner planets. Time to move to the outer planets. So here we go to Jupiter, the largest planet in the solar system. And also has a great red spot that has been over 400 years. And that is getting circular. And that will be gone in 2040. And also, a thing on top of it is blue. That means like Earth. It could be ice, or it could be anything. Or since we move on to Saturn. Saturn is the most planets with the most rocks and rings, and it's made out of ice, rocks, and dust. And this is how it formed. So first, Saturn teared apart its moons and then got its rings from that moon. And now that spins every day. Now we move on to Uranus, the 7th planet to the sun. But it actually used to be the 9th planet from the sun from a long time ago. And let me tell you the story of the 5th planet of the solar system. So first, there were 5 gas giants. Jupiter, Saturn, but we do not have planet 9. I'm just going to imagine that it's there. And we have Uranus and Neptune. So one day, planet 9 got out of its orbit that went straight to Jupiter. Then Jupiter one day thought that it will get out of the solar system. Then one day, Jupiter pulled it all the way close to the sun, and every day that passed it, it tried to go in its orbit, but it couldn't. And it got eventually passed out of the Oort cloud, and then it was all over for planet 9. Second, Uranus is in its shiny light blue color, and that has its good rings. How Saturn formed it. Here we move on to Neptune, the farthest planet from the sun. Well, not eventually, because planet 9. Neptune is the planet that has the most winds and that has a great red spot like Jupiter, but it's actually blue. And that is very cold. It's about in negative degrees. And then we're all done for the solar system, all of the planets. But now it's time for the solar system. The solar system was formed 9 billion years ago, and it had all the fragments around. And then 4.6 billion years, our sun formed. And as we know, that we learned about all of the planets. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.